Hello guys, my pleasure to welcome you to my channel with the graphic example here. My name is Ravi. I'm a YouTube live marketer in Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to double your earnings on YouTube. But before I get into the tutorial, suggest that very important channel, please remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell to have good content about things that very right before the video. And like one or two things. And lastly, but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your content in the comment section below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you guys have for me as far as tutorial is concerned. So, like I said earlier, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to double your earnings on YouTube. What do I mean by this? It's a situation whereby before you can have access to these features on your YouTube channel, you need to, on your YouTube studio, you need to make sure that your channel and operates to monetized channel. That is only way you can have the access to the particular features and show you guys. And also, if you are producing your video, make sure that your video is length beyond your video length is beyond minimum of 8 minutes. Okay, so make sure your video length is more than 8 minutes in a video. It might be 8 to 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, etc. before you have access to this particular feature. And this feature allow you to place multiple ads on your YouTube video, like generating more revenue to your channel. So let's go straight to the tutorial and see how you get it done. Alright guys, so here's my YouTube studio right here. Like I said earlier, you need to make sure that your channel has been accepted into YouTube Partner Program monetization before you can actually have access to this particular tab right here. So the tab is right here over here, and like I said, as I explained earlier guys, that you need to make sure that your video length is more than 8 minutes. So you can see this particular video right here is almost 12-minute video. You can see it right here. So the next step you have to take to double your revenue or to double your earnings on YouTube revenue, all you have to do is come to monetization tab. So when you get to your monetization tab right here, you'll be able to place multiple ads on the video. Then when you get to your monetization tab, you have to come right here and click on this point here. Choose from the drop down, make sure you turn it on, and then make sure you click on done. Alright, so you have to scroll down. So you have to scroll down. Then when your video is more than 8 minutes, you'll be able to have access to this feature, manage mid rows. Just click on manage mid rows. Then it takes you to another page where you need to add multiple ads to your YouTube video before you publish. So you can see guys, at this point here, you can choose the number of minutes you want ads to appear more and more on your video. Let's say I want another ads to appear after 3 minutes of watching this video right here. So you have to select on that. Then when you select on that, you have to come to add break. Make sure you add a break to that. So when you add a break to that, it means that once your viewers watch this video to this particular minute, it's going to show them another ad. So you can say after 6 minutes, another ad pop up. So you have to come here and sorry, it's for small ad. So you can say after 6 minutes, another ad will pop up. Then you have to come to top right here, ad break. So it's going to add another ad break at this point right here. So you can see we have placed 2 ads on this particular video. And lastly, you can see after 9 minutes, so another ad should show up in this video. So you just have to come here, click on ad break. So So you can see we have placed at least 3 ads on this particular video right here. So when you are done, you can add as many as possible, but try as much as possible that you don't bombard the video with ads so that your viewers will not get bored when they are watching your video. So lastly, you have to come here and click on continue. So by clicking on continue, make sure that this particular place turned to, you can see it's still under saving. So once it's turned to save as draft as practice, it means that your video has had a multiple ads on the video. So each time they are watching the video, more ads will be pumped up, and with that, you'll be able to generate more revenue to your YouTube AdSense account. So this is how you double your revenue and generate more income on your YouTube AdSense without any stress. All you have to do is to apply the simple trick I show you in this video. Make sure that your video is up to 8 minutes, and make sure that you produce the right content, and then see how you follow the steps. You will find when you are placing multiple ads into your video. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel for more future tips and tricks about YouTube success. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next episode on YouTube tips and tricks. Bye for now. Peace.